I'm Sarah with WTI, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about why I buy these Hefty zipper bag. They are the freezer, gallon-sized slider bag, but the reason I really like them is because they're the stand and fill variety, which means they have an expandable bottom. Not only does that give you a lot more room, but you can literally stand them up on your counter and fill them. It makes it so much easier. Let me show you.
So many times I struggle to place things in a bag. So I just wanted to show you here, I made some rolls, and these bags do really stay open because they have that expanding bottom. So they fit so much more and they literally stay open for me. It's like a little helper. It's helping me put the rolls in the bag because it's not collapsing. And I can fit so much more because they have that stand and fill design with that expanded bottom. So that's why I purchased these. I find them easy to use.
So because I'm able to fit so much more in these bags, when I'm baking, whether it's rolls or bread, because the bottom expands, it fits much more for me. And also it'll stand up on the counter, which makes it easier for me to fill it. And of course, I love the fact that it has a zipper so that I know that it's closed all the way. And that's my point of view.